Here we are on Siesta Beach, Siesta Key, Florida. It's a beautiful day to fly a kite, to be at the beach. All around me, and who we have here?
Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little backwards shuffle soul roll for you guys again, like round 2. Let's see it.
All right. Ah, looky there. I'm trying to imagine it to the beat of the music.
Yeah, it's always better to be beat of the music, but if you don't have music, just do it the best you can. So this is a little fun little step. I think it's fun to learn. You can do this at your rink or anywhere where it's flat in the driveway, wherever it's smooth. It's fun to do this to music. It just frees up the skating and makes it more interesting. So this move, I think you should be comfortable with skating backwards first. And once you're good with that, you can balance both ways, then maybe try this. So to do this, you're gonna turn around and start going backwards. And you're gonna pick up, in my case, it's my left foot, my left heel, and I'm gonna cross it under myself like that. Okay? And then I'm gonna pick up this foot and step it out. And then I'm gonna pick up my feet and then pick this heel up and turn it in and go under myself again. And then step out this way. You transfer your feet underneath, pick up. It's hard to do this slow.
Watch the cracks, yeah.
So you just 1, 2, cross. 1, 2, cross underneath.
All right.
So the more you angle your foot underneath of you, the more that move is going to be actuated, you know, stepping farther out to the side, and it just makes it look cooler, you know, the more you do it. But,
kind of a bigger.
Yeah, bigger cross,
yeah.
almost a 90-degree underneath, but not quite. More like a 45 or so. But you don't have to start off that way. Do it in a little bit underneath yourself.
Okay.
Just like cross underneath yourself a little bit.
Okay.
Cross underneath yourself a little bit this way. Just back and forth.
A little smaller there.
A little smaller, just a little bit. It naturally, once you cross under yourself, your body, you want to pick up that other foot.
Okay.
Because it feels weird. You automatically want to pick this foot up and set it down for balance. And then you basically pick it up again, go underneath.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So it's fun to do. I'll do it again going across here. Nice and smooth. So that's it. It's a little smooth, flowy, backwards, soul roll, shuffle skate that hopefully you guys find fun and useful and helpful. You can do this anywhere. You can do it at the rink. We're out here on a flat surface, a concrete surface. There's people all around, so I got some pressure. Everyone's watching, wondering what the hell I'm doing. But I don't care. Just make the most of it. You want to do it one more time across here?
Sure.
Okay, do it one more time.
All right.
So you get going backwards, cross under. That's pretty much it. So you cross under yourself and then step back out. Do it again. Cross under, step out. Cross under, step out. Cross under, step out. That's
Nice.
pretty much it.
All right.
I hope it was fun to watch me do this. I know I look pretty colorful today.
Yeah.
I've got pretty much every color of the rainbow on. Looking like Ronald McDonald over here. But anyway, it's all for fun. There's a lot of pressure out here, a lot of people watching. We're down here at Siesta. Hopefully you guys found this video fun, useful. If you have any more ideas or suggestions, or if you like it, hit that like. And for more content, hit the bell. We really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.